Hi everyone, welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. I'm Steffi Fernandez. In today's video, we'll be doing a gorgeous summery layered rose design using our jelly range polish. Let's get cracking. Right, so I've already buffed the nail as usual, buffed the nail and prepped it. I've got so many gorgeous colors in here, and as you all know, this is like my favorite collection of all time. I'm gonna go in with, let's start with the dark blue. I'm not gonna start with the names again. I think it's Miritillo. So I'm gonna dab a little bit of that color just over here. And then I'm going to go in and swap to a different color. So I'm going to go in for Sour Plum. And I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit on the side over here. I'm then going to go in to Pink Pineapple. And add a little bit probably here. I'm then going to go in to Starfruit, which is a gorgeous kind of yellow, to add a little bit more. So I want to achieve like a bit of a rainbowy kind of background, if it makes sense. And then I'm going to go into Kiwano, which is just, a gorgeous, gorgeous kind of tealy color. So I've got all these colors layered on the nail, and I'm now going to go ahead with my ombre brush and kind of try and blend them together. So all I'm doing is just basically stroking it back and forth between the two colors from side to side, just to create a bit of a transition. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean that brush and do that everywhere the two colors meet. So over here, just gonna brush it back and forth a little bit, just to create a good smooth ombre. I'm gonna do that over here as well, back and forth. Now I'm gonna do it between these two colors. And a bit of a transition on here. And I've basically blended all colors, so I've got a really gorgeous transition from each color, so it doesn't look as placed. Bit of a tie-dye, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I've got the first layer on. I'm going to go and cure it for the full length of time, and we'll carry on with our design. I'm now going in with a thin layer of our foil glue, and I'm just gonna apply a nice thin layer all over the nail and cure it for 30 seconds. Guys, remember, no more than 30 seconds. So I've got the foil glue cured over here. Before I apply the foil, I want to just show off how gorgeous this foil that I'm going to use today is. So we've got this gorgeous transparent floral kind of foil. Look how gorgeous this is. I'll put my glove behind it just so you can kind of see what it looks like. What do you reckon, eh?
Oh yeah, very nice.
So I've cut a little strip over here on the side, because sometimes I don't even do that and then I just use the whole foil and I just ruin it. So I started cutting little sections to help myself out here and there. I'm going to place that foil on, and I'm going to press it and pray that it transfers fully. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a good press. And again, we can use our silicone tool, which is over here, and just rub it back and forth so everything transfers. All right, ready? Ooh, it's done it. Okay, it's done it quite well. It's done it quite well. A little bit is missing. Let me see if I can try and put that on. Ooh, nearly. But that's okay. Oh, that's fine. We're going to put another layer anyway, but it transferred quite well. Let me just flatten it a little bit. So we've got our first layer done. Now what we want to do is repeat that first layer that we've done, mixing all the colors on top. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply that gorgeous blue. I'm then going to go into that green and just mimic the colors that are on the layer underneath. Okay, I'm going to go into that green. I'm then going to go into the pink pineapple. I wonder why it's called pink pineapple.
Yeah, I don't know. It's a nice color.
It's a gorgeous color. Is there a type of a pink pineapple? No, right? Am I just being dumb?
I've heard of.
I've not heard of one. Yeah, I'm just checking, guys. You know, you never know. There's so many things out there. So I'm gonna put that gorgeous teal color, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of starfruit on the nail here. And again, I'm gonna go in with my, where are y'all? Ombre brush, and just kind of blend the colors together so there's a smoother transition. So a little bit here, just in between where the colors are. And by the way, just so you know, the best colors to create ombre with are actually jelly, because they blend so well because they're mixed with transparent, right? So it blends a lot nicer than a color that's fully opaque, if it makes sense. Am I making sense, Drew?
Yeah, yeah. I was going to say that actually.
Yeah, it blends so quickly and so well. So I've got this layer over here ready. Let me show you how gorgeous this looks. Are you getting this goodness on the camera?
I'm capturing it.
You are. And I'm gonna pop this into the lamp. Right, we've got this layer cured over here, and I've got my gorgeous glitter nail coming through, if you can guys see. I'm gonna go in back to our foil glue and apply a nice thin layer all over the nail, so we can go in with another layer of our floral foil on top. Wish me luck. Oh. Right, okay, so I've stuck it on, and I'm just pressing it on the nail and pressing it on here. Always press. Your fingers are there for a reason. Yes, it's done it. Oh yes. Okay, so we transfer the second layer on. Look how gorgeous this looks. And I'm gonna go ahead and just apply a top coat. So I'm gonna go in with our Urban Graffiti top coat and seal all of this goodness in. And I'll pop this back into the lamp. So this is the one, guys. I hope you enjoyed this super cool, super quick and fast tutorial. Using our transfer foils. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next, and as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you all on the next one. Take care, guys. Your fingers are there for a reason. No, I'm kidding. Boom. Perfect.